Hey y'all! I am so happy you're here today. Welcome back to my channel, Just Right. My name is Jody Jean Daniels, and just so you know, if you hear any meowing in the background, my cat has decided that she cannot be parted from me today, so Jinxie is with me in the studio while I'm talking to you guys. So today I'm going to share 3 editing hacks that will instantly make your prose stronger. These are simple fixes you can apply to any draft, and they'll help you polish your writing without hours of frustration. So let's jump in. So the first hack is to cut filler words. Like felt, saw, heard, thought. She felt scared when the door slammed. So instead of writing the door slammed, her pulse raced. And you see how that little tiny thing, by removing the filler, the experience feels like so immediate. And this is the easiest way also to show and not tell. And we're going to be talking about showing and not telling in our writing club, which is a membership level on YouTube and Patreon, but on the 23rd. So I'm really excited about getting to share that with you guys. Okay, now hack number 2 is to trim the adverbs with stronger verbs. So think of you're trying to just use a stronger verb. So instead of he ran quickly, he sprinted. Or she said softly becomes she whispered. Stronger verbs are not only going to tighten your prose, but they're also going to pack more of a punch in fewer words, which is what we all want as writers. So hack number 3 is read aloud or use text to speech. So that's my third hack. Is really simple, cheap one is just the one that's in Word. Because when you hear your writing, awkward phrases are going to jump out. You'll catch run-on sentences, clunky dialogue, and repetition that your eyes kind of skim right past. So I do this with every draft, and it always surprises me what my ears notice, but that my eyes have missed. So I really lean heavily into that hack. So quick recap: cut the filler words, replace adverbs with stronger verbs, read aloud or use text to speech. So these 3 hacks will instantly tighten your prose and make it more engaging for readers. So drop a comment and tell me what is your favorite editing hack. And if this helped, then I would like for you to hit the like, please subscribe, and check out my playlist on self-editing tips for even more ways to level up your writing. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. I hope you're having a great week. Bye!